Hello to all businesses currently doing SEO and those planning to start. Today we are going to address a crucial issue in SEO reporting, that is vanity metrics. This number might look impressive on paper but don't necessarily lead to meaningful result. While they can make your report seems more impactful, relying solely on this figure can be quite misleading for your businesses, right? So whenever you receive an SEO report, it is important to check whether these figures are genuinely valuable or just an vanity metrics for your business. Are they beneficial for your business or are they simply flashy number? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you on how to identify these misleading metrics, right? First, let us look at the traffic versus real audience, right? You might see a report showing 36k organic traffic with a focus on USA audience. It seems like a dream come true, especially for small businesses, right? But when you go dig into this data, you might find that only 10% of the traffic is coming from the USA, while the rest comes from the other countries like Africa, China, and Nepal. This suggests that the figure might not be too good for this business because this business only operate in USA but getting most of the traffic from other countries, right? So always investigate where your traffic is coming from to avoid falling for this vanity metrics, right? Let's consider the click versus meaningful engagement here, right? If you got this report showing 70k clicks and 4.74 million impression, you might assume it is fantastic. But let me tell you, while going deep into this data, most of the clicks are from non-commercial content like how to tie shoes or sandals on the first date, and only small fraction, right? Only small fraction of the content is actual buying intent keywords of the user, right? Out of these 71k clicks, if only 6k are the commercial content, that is a red flag for you. So if you get this report without any brief, that means that is a red flag. Another vanity metrics is you might see an impressive number like 33 keywords in position 1, 24 in top 3, and so on. But if most of these are branded keywords or irrelevant to your targeted audience like keywords from other countries that does not help your business goals, then this is also a red flag, right? So you should check all of the data briefly. Where are the traffic coming from, whether they are the branded keyword, informative, commercial, transactional, etc, right? So never fall for this vanity metrics. At the last, for more insight, join our community SEO for founders. Thanks for tuning in, and let's ensure we are focusing on what truly matters for our SEO success.